let's begin today's gold analysis. Due to the bad health, I wasn't able to create previous videos, and now I'll be resuming from today onwards. So let's begin gold analysis for this week and for today, how the market is going to behave. And if you are a new subscriber to this channel, do like, comment and share, or you can also share with your friends so that they can subscribe and see the latest analysis videos. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever there will be a new release of analysis, then you will get notified at that moment. So let's begin. So this is a 4-hour time frame, what you guys are seeing in the chart, and the levels I have already drawn, and these are nothing but just the EMIs, and majorly I use 3 different EMIs, and those are works very well in this market, the gold market. And you can try the similar thing in a Forex or any other instrument as well. So there are 200 EMIs, 100 EMIs and 50 EMI that I am currently working. And if you see somewhere near this 50 EMI, market is taking some trying to take some support, but this area which is in 1960-61 area, that is not a major support, that is kind of a minor support, but there will be a major support somewhere around 1956 to 55 area. That will be a major support if market because today definitely a big news will be there. I think some manufacturing data or ISM manufacturing PMI data and job opening forecast will be there. So there'll be a volatility during the news time, definitely. So new traders wait for 5 to 15 minutes during the next news time, and after that, when the market settles, then do enter or do trade in the market. So let's say how the market will behave. So these are the levels, like 1960 is one of the minor support area, and if market is not bouncing back from here, then there is a high possibility market might come to this zone, which is 1955 to 56 area, right? Market should come here, and from here again it will bounce back. And as we know, all the previous resistance will become support, all the previous support will become resistance when the market breaks from top to bottom. Similarly, if there will be a support, if there will be a resistance, if market takes or breaks from below to top, then it will turn to a support for the market, right? So previously this 1955 area, it worked pretty well, and market took support and bounced back a couple of times we have seen, and again fell down and took some support and bounced back. So we are expecting market might fall till this zone, and it might take some support from here and again bounce back possibly, right? So we'll have to wait for the actual levels to be triggered, because if somebody, let's say from yesterday, if somebody sell in the market, then there'll be a good profit, right, running, because 1970-72 level, those are the resistance present, and market well supported that resistance zone, and it is now falling. So note down all the levels that I have given, and these levels will work as a resistance and support in the market, and based on that you have to trade. So the support that I have given, 1956, which is this shown, 1956, 50, and always consider 1 or 2 point as a buffer, because in market nobody can give you exact dotted line or the exact point which will work, or which will work as support resistance, right? So if I'm saying 1956, try to assume that 1954 to 57 will be a range, because market always respect to that range. So 1 or 2 buffer you can include for the support. 1956 will be the first support, and if market goes below 1956, then 1949 will be the second support present at this level, which is nothing but this zone. And if market goes below, then we have 1942 level as well. and below 1942 definitely the major support will be there around 1936. Okay, let's see the resistance. Yesterday we have seen market well respected 1971 level, 7172 level, and this is the one of the resistance, and above that we have 1981, which is this zone. Let me just draw that somewhere like, or probably you can say for side you can take as a 1980, say for side you can take as a 1980, and above that we have another resistance that is present, very recently created, that is 1987-88 range. So these are the different levels. So today try to follow all the levels and do trade in the levels. Try to enter, book your partial profit, and rest 50%. Let's say if you are taking some XYZ quantities and you have to book 50% when your target hits, and rest 50% you can trail your stop loss or move your stop loss to the break-even point, so that you will secure your profits and you will not lose out your hard-earned money or the capital. So be a reactive trader. Do not fight with the market. If market is giving you a downward direction, always try to go with that trend and follow the trend. Do not go or try to trade opposite to the trend. And if you are a intraday trader and you are looking for a 1 hour time frame or 30 minutes time frame, that is also okay. But in the bigger time frame you should analyze, and probably a smaller time frame you can go for a trading. Let's say for the 30-minute time frame, if I'm doing some kind of intraday trading, probably a 5-point risk reward, then 30 minutes should work best that time. So 30 minutes you see it is it broke the support. Let's say take an example, it broke the support 1963. Then if it took some kind of support here, and if you want to go up, then probably this support will work as a resistance and might push down the market to the downward direction. So that way we have to think, and based on the candlestick patterns, if you see any hammer pattern or something, or maybe some rejection from here, then possibly it might go bounce back. But and that might happen during I think when the European session starts, probably that time we will see some volatility. So there are 3 time zones that generally works in the market. One is the morning time, when the Asian market opens, like a Singapore market and Tokyo market, and second time will be like your European time, somewhere around 12:30 IST, and major trend I have seen from 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock there will be a big rally happens. That was my analysis and the research with time cycle. And then another volatility session will be there if there's a news time, and during the New York session. And generally in the news time, market doesn't respect all the levels, but it gives you because of the volatility, but levels are it is working properly, all the levels. But the problem is the volatility is too much during the news time, so it will hit your stop loss both the sides. Let's say if you are in a sell position somewhere here like 72 or 71, if market gives a big wick and it touches the resistance area, then probably it might hit your SL, right? So during news time, always try to avoid probably first 3 minutes or 5 minutes, and then probably you can enter after that. And so those are the levels, and I hope everyone is following the levels, and have a profitable day, and happy trading guys. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.